Hi everyone, this is Sandy. Welcome back to Easy Cooking. So today I'll show you how to make a super easy and delicious pasta, which is perfect for hot summer days when you want to eat something amazingly delicious without spending too much time in the kitchen. I hope you like it. Remember, you'll find the list of ingredients in the description box of this video, and you will also find it in my blog where you can print the whole recipe. Let's get started. In a large pot, we're going to bring plenty of water to a boil. And once the water is boiling, now we're going to add in a little bit of extra virgin olive oil, and also add in 2 garlic cloves, 1 bay leaf, and plenty of salt. Now add in the pasta and cook it for 5 minutes. Over here I have the shrimp. The shrimp is already cleaned, peeled, and deveined. Now we're going to season it with a little bit of extra virgin olive oil, and also add in half a teaspoon of garlic powder. Season this with salt and black pepper, and crushed red pepper to taste. And if you want, you can also add a pinch of dry oregano. We will also add in the zest of 1 lime. Then stir together so all the shrimp is well seasoned, and then just set it aside. After 5 minutes, this is how the pasta looks like. Now we're going to add in the broccoli. Continue to cook this for 5 more minutes. After 5 more minutes, this is how the pasta looks like. It's now al dente and the broccoli is tender. Now we're going to drain this and we're going to set it aside until we're ready to use it. Now in a large skillet on low heat, we're going to add in the butter together with the garlic. And I'm using 5 minced garlic cloves, but feel free to use more or less garlic depending on what you like. And we're going to cook the butter and the garlic for about 3 or 4 minutes on low heat. You want the butter to get bubbly and with a light golden color, but this has to be cooked on low heat so the garlic won't burn. After 4 minutes, this is how the butter looks like. Now we're going to add in the chopped onion, set the heat to medium heat, and we will continue to cook this for 2 more minutes on medium heat, just so the onion will soften a little bit. After 2 minutes, this is how it looks. Now we're going to add in the wine, then season this with dry oregano, crushed red pepper, and also add in salt and black pepper to taste. We will also add in the juice of 1 lime, then stir together to combine, and we're going to cook this on high heat for 5 minutes or until the sauce has reduced to half. After 5 minutes, this is how the sauce is looking. As you can see, it has reduced now a little bit. Now we're going to add in the shrimp, stir, and cook on medium heat for 3 more minutes. After 3 minutes, the shrimp is almost cooked. Now we're going to add in the pasta and the broccoli. Give it a stir and also add in the chopped parsley. Then taste the flavor, add more salt and pepper if needed. Once you're happy with the flavor, give it another stir and continue to cook this for 2 more minutes or until the pasta is well heated through and the shrimp is well cooked. And once it's ready, now you can serve it. And I'm just going to serve it on a bed of lettuce, and that's about it. You can garnish with a little bit of Parmesan cheese and more parsley, and that's it. Enjoy! To print this and some other delicious recipes, please don't forget to visit my blog. The link is going to be down below. And remember, you will also find me on Facebook, on Twitter, on Instagram, on Pinterest. I'm everywhere, so all the links are going to be down below. If you want, you can check them out. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to the channel to be notified of future updates. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye!